What's going on, everyone? My name is Dustin Stelzer, and this is Electrician U. So, this channel is dedicated to learning about electricity, really. I'm a master electrician. I have always been really big into kind of nerding out and studying this kind of stuff. I find electricity fascinating. So, the problem is when I was coming up, there was really no content out there. I had to go find books or read magazines. Like, YouTube didn't have any content. There was nowhere I could type in, like, how does a capacitor work, and somebody actually show me and talk to me about it. So I wanted to create that. So for the last few years, I've been putting together videos, some of them pretty crude and awful, and some of them a lot better quality. But I do this full time. I put out a new episode every Monday and every Wednesday. If you interact with me on Instagram, you have a little bit more say into kind of how my content goes. So what I hope for this to be is another learning resource for any of you that might be in trade school, that might be in your apprenticeship, or you're an apprentice going to try to test to be a journeyman. But anybody in the electrical field, it's an extra resource for y'all. I hope y'all comment, join the Electrician U group, and get into asking more questions, putting suggestions out for more content, and just becoming part of the community. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you crazy people, and I will see you in the next episode.